Hello, hello. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon sa lahat. Gerard Claudio here. Kamusta guys? I hope naririnig nyo ako right now, no? Yes, so sa video na to, ang pag-uusapan natin is ano ba yung isang mindset na magpapa-unlock ng network marketing wealth mo? Guys, hindi naman tayo nag-network marketing para kumita lang. And usually, sa mga hindi ito naiintindihan yung itatopic ko, ganito palagi yung naririnig ko, bakit pa ako mag-network marketing kaya ko naman kitain sa trabaho ko yan? Ano yung mga ganun? Diba? And just to give you an idea, before po ako nag-network, malaki naman po talaga yung sahod ko. Kasi seaman po ako before eh. And talagang malaki kasi ready to prepared ako para hanggang maging kapitan sa barko. Ganun yung mindsetting sa amin before. So, naging maganda yung career path ko. And hindi ko sinabing pangit yung career ko bilang seafarer. Seafaring, no? Sa seafaring career ko. Pero, bakit pinili ko ang pag-network? Kasi iba guys yung nakita ko sa network marketing. As in, iba talaga yung nakita ko. Ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo sa video na to. And kung bakit talagang sineryoso ko siya, kinerir ko to na negosyo. And yun yung gusto kong i-mindset sa inyo right now. Na if you really want to unlock a wealth, when I say wealth is different from income, kaya mo naman kumita ng active income, pero yung wealth yung tipong kaya mong ipasa sa next generation. Tama? And paano mo gagawin yon? Yun ang gusto natin pag-usapan. Type mo ready sa my comment kung ready ka ng pakinggan to. And for most of you na nandito, or some of you, ako, guilty as such din ako dito nung nagsimula ako sa network marketing. Ang minamindset ko lang yung sarili ko, sabi ko makahanap lang ako ng dalawang leader left and right kasi binary yung company namin. Makahanap na ako ng isang solid leader sa left, solid leader sa right, masaya na ako, okay na ako. Hindi na ako hata, magre-retire na ako. Hindi na ako papakita. Alam mo yung ganun? And I feel like that kind of mindset is really selfish. Sobrang selfish ng mindset na yun na parang feeling ko parang bakit ganun ako mag-isip. Which is, I know, I can't blame myself or the people as well, no, na ah, hindi ko sinabi na hindi ko siya naintindihan in that sense. But, I just realized na yung idea kasi ng passive income yung masyadong binibenta na. Kaya magpa-passive income ka dito. Which is totoo, magpa-passive income ka. Kaya lang kasi guys, kung gusto mo talagang magkaroon, ma-enjoy mo yung proseso ng network marketing, more than just earning, ibahin natin yung mindset natin. So what is the key to unlock network marketing wealth? Is to look at your be a network marketer na purpose driven. You know Rick Warren's book Purpose Driven Life, no? How will you have a life that is really driven with purpose? So dito gusto kong pag-usapan natin paano ka magiging purpose driven na network marketer. Yun po yung mindset. Kasi kung ang mindset mo lang is pera-pera lang to, maniwala ka sa akin, every time na alam mo you will always question the compensation plan. You'll always question the compensation plan. I'm not saying you don't you don't criticize the compensation plan kung prospect ka. Pero ang gusto ko point out dito is people are looking us through easy way all the time. Yung pinakamadaling gusto ko, yung pinakamadaling gusto ko. I remember there were so many network marketers who criticize our compensation plan sa company namin. And these people seems like they really don't understand how this industry works. And as if that the ultimate yung pinaka-ultimate na success mo is nasa compensation plan. Parang baliw na baliw sila, obsessed na obsessed sila sa plan ng kumpanya nila, whatever. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin to sa inyo that being a network marketer is more than just earning commission. I mean, kung maiintindihan ninyo kung anong ginagawa natin sa network marketing, ma-appreciate mo kung bakit network marketer ka. So, totoo lang. Imagine niyo guys, I would like to make this as an example. Think about this. Meron kang bagong downline. Yung downline mo na bago or bago mong teammate, as in, wala siyang self-confidence, wala siyang kumpiyansa. Think about this. Wala siyang kumpiyansa, wala siyang self-confidence. Pero, hindi ka nag-iisip kung may makukuha kang income sa kanya or wala. Think about this, ha. Ang ginawa mo, talagang chinaga mo siyang i-mentor. And yung teammate mo, yung downline mo, willing naman magpa-mentor. So, nagpapa-mentor siya sa'yo, tsaga siya sa coaching call ninyo, tsaga siya sa mga trainings, hindi siya yung humihindi. And eventually, na-figure out niya, na-crack niya yung code. So, tumaas yung kumpiyansa niya sa negosyo, tumaas yung kumpiyansa niya sa ginagawa niya, naging confident siya sa skills niya, naging confident siya sa kaya niyang gawin, tama? Dahil sa mentoring mo. Technically, nabago yung buhay niya, sabihin natin. And imagine nyo guys, kung nabago mo yung buhay ng tao na yun, ano yung pwede mangyari sa pamilya niya? Mababago ang buhay ng pamilya niya. Kung mabago ang buhay ng pamilya niya, do you think mababago yung pamumuhay? Possible ba na mabago yung buhay ng buong angkan niya? Yung mga susunod na henerasyon? Pwede. Tama ba? So, bakit ko sinasabi sa inyo to? When you only look at network marketing from a standpoint of income ngayon, matatalo ka sa network marketing, maniwala ka sa'yo. Marami kang rereklamuhin. Marami kang irereklamo. Mahal ang product, mahirap yung complan, marami kang irereklamo, maniwala ka sa akin. You will always have complaints. But if you look at network marketing, way more than what you can get, but use this platform to really serve many people as possible, maniwala ka sa akin, magbabago yung takbo ng network marketing business mo. You think about this, guys. I'm creating this content and marami sa inyo dito na iba naman yung kumpanya ninyo. You are from a different company. And ba't ko sinasabi to? Kasi I really don't care if you've joined me or not. Of course, if you want, just message me. Wala namang problema. Pero if you would use all the content here to grow your network marketing business, masaya na ako dun. And some of you are here and I don't want to buy anything. Walang problema. The mere fact that I'm creating content here because I care for you. I care for every single network marketer because alam ko na hindi madali ang pinagdadaanan ng mga network marketers. And don't even feel like ikaw lang yung nahihirapan. Hindi. Maraming mga network marketers na either lost sila, either they lack of mentoring, they have a lack of reminder. So this platform of mine, as simple as I'm doing right now, matulungan kita sa part na yon. Okay? Lizel Miranda, Elizabeth Reyes, Reneyob, Bakugan, Fepitogo, magandang araw sa inyo. Kamusta? I hope you guys are doing well. And so nagawa niya ba ibig kong sabihin? So instead of focusing on what you can get, why not start focusing on what you can give? Imagine niyo, majority of us, nahihiya tayong mag-share ng product or opportunity natin kasi akala natin pang sarili natin siya ginagawa. Pero imagine mo kung i-shift mo yung mentality mo, i-shift mo yung mindset mo, and you put that belief na hindi ginagawa ko to para dun sa prospect at client ko. Do you think mas tatatag yung loob mo? Yes. Because for majority of us, ang akala natin ginagawa natin lahat ng bagay na ito para lang sa gustong na natin mayari. Of course, ginagawa natin to dahil sa gusto nating how shall I say this? Gusto nating umangat sa buhay, tama. Pero sa pag-angat sa buhay, guys, this is how it works in network marketing. Help as many people as possible improve their life through your product or improve their life by joining your team. Ganun siya. Agree ba kayo? Type nyo nga agree. Season Breen, mga nang araw. Gab Olivo. Archie Cantillana. Hello. Dolores Caminaga. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta? Hello. You get my point? So what is amazing about network marketing is ang way mo na para gumanda ang buhay mo is gagandahan mo yung buhay ng mga tao na nagiging part ng organization mo. Ang problem kasi sa network marketing, guys, kung bakit maraming naiinis, it's because pumasok sila sa network marketing na instead na naging okay yung buhay nila, mas nabaon pa sila. Norna Fernandez, Angela Estioco, kamusta? Yan. Nag-get my point? So, kaya maraming binabansagan ang network marketing na scam. Kaya tayo nababansagan na scam kasi mukhang scam na lang yung paggawa natin ng business. Imagine mo nag-join tapos pinabayaan mo, tapos pinalabas ng maraming pera, tapos hindi mo rin tinutukan. Hindi mo rin tinulungan. Paano mangyayari yun? So imagine, which means the goal here is kapag nag-pay in ka, nag-sign up ka ng mga teammates mo, kailangan mag-set ka muna as an example as a leader. Hindi po pwedeng ikaw mismo leader, hindi mo ginagawa yung negosyo. Hindi po pwedeng hindi ka, kaya even in my team right now, the basics of me looking for customers, basic of me signing people up, I do it. Kasi I want it to be an example to my team. Hindi po pwedeng microphone lang ako tapos power lang ako sa kanila. I have to do it on my own because me setting as an example of my team is the most powerful help na pwede kong maitulong sa team ko. Tama? Agree ba kayo? Kaya minsan nakakainis makita yung mga leaders na hindi na alam mo yun, ang daming pinangako sa'yo tapos wala na sila. I don't know, just personally sa akin parang it's not really something that I wanted to imitate. No, so nag-gets ba? So be a purpose-driven network marketer. Yung may purpose ka sa ginagawa mo dahil alam mo that you're doing this bigger than yourself. It's not all about you. But of course, kailangan mo nang iangat yung sarili mo. Tama? Kailangan mo maghanap ng mga leaders na pwede mo matulungan na may angatin yung buhay nila. Yun ang goal natin dito. Or the least is, gumanda yung improvement ng buhay nila dahil sa product or service na in-offer mo sa kanila. You get my point? I'm yung learning kung natututo kayo sinasabi ko. But the key here is, be ready to serve. Nandun ka dapat sa team mo. Hindi po pwede na, amo na nag-join na yan, nakuha ko na yung commission ko, ako na sa kanya. Hindi, it doesn't work that way. These people joined because they decided to be a part of your team, so you give them the support that they need to grow. Agree ba? And I will tell you, they will appreciate that. Maraming nag-join sa network marketing, may mga pangarap ang mga yan.
Marami tayong mga teammates na marami silang pangarap. Marami tayong mga teammates na marami silang mga, alam mo yun, marami silang gustong mangyari. Pero marami rin silang takot, marami silang duda, marami silang mga hindi nila naiintindihan. Pero even, kaya doon ka papasok bilang mentor, bilang leader. Kaya ako guys, sinasyaga ko talaga yung pag-mentor sa team ko. I really take time. And of course, hindi kasi, alam mo, Jeren, nakapagod minsan mag-mentor, puro problema ang pinag-uusapan. Natural kasi nga mentor ka eh. Tama. Ano gusto ko i-point out? My point is, of course, your goal is to help them solve the problem that they have in their business. Am I right? Tama ba? So, of course, naturally, they will come to you with a problem. Bakit pupunta pa sila kung hindi problema? Hindi ka na lang kailangan. Which means, nako niya ba? Which means they already grow in the business. They outgrow every single struggle, which is really amazing, which is also an indication that you're being a good mentor. Pero one point here is majority ng mga bago will seek mentoring and coaching from you, which is, ang point ko lang is, your goal is to serve. Your goal is to serve your team. Your goal is to serve your community. The goal is to serve your downlines. And I would like to say this, unahin mo yung team mo. Unahin mo yung team mo. Okay? So, that's the key there. Okay? So, you serve. If you want to be driven with, if you wanted to really create, unlock wealth sa network marketing, ganun siya. So, ito yung mindset dito, guys. Instead na isipin mo yung pera sa network marketing, isipin mo ilan yung tutulungan mo magkapera. Or isipin mo ilan yung matutulungan mo na mag-improve yung skincare nila kung skincare products ka, mag-improve sa health nila kung health and wellness ka, mag-improve kung ano man yung ino-offer mo sa market other than the network marketing opportunity. Imaginein mo, kung marami kang matulungan, masaya sila, masaya ka. Ganun po ang network marketing. Hindi po ang network marketing na kasi minsan may mindset ang mga tao sa network marketing na akala nila ang network marketing kailangan may matalo para manalo ka. Hindi. Bakit kailangan mo pumili na kailangan mo matalo? Kung pwedeng sabay manalo, nanalo yung prospect mo, nanalo yung client mo, nanalo ka rin. Bakit? Kasi ginawa mo ng tama yung pagnenegosyo. Tama? And the reason why there's so many people hate network marketing, again, because there's so many people losing money in network marketing. Now, marami naman kasing reason kung bakit. Because there are so many people come inside network marketing na wala naman talaga silang planong humataw. Iyon, I mean, kung tinulungan mo, binigyan mo ng support, binigyan mo ng mentoring, binigyan mo ng coaching, hindi pa rin ginawa yung sinabi mo, hindi na labas ka na doon. Ako ba ibig sabihin? Labas ka na doon. Hindi mo nakasalanan yun. Tama. Pero, if tinulungan mo sila, if nag-join sila at hindi mo sila tinulungan, at wala kang binigay ng support sa kanila, at hindi ka malang nag-improve ng system para sa kanila, then problem yun. Nakuha ba? Right? That's your challenge. Janice Gakutan, hello, ma'am, kamusta? Rem Capina from Canada, kamusta, ma'am? Amina Kaurin. Natututo ba kayo? Type nyo nga learning. Another one, para maging purpose-driven ka sa team mo, kailangan you lead with vision. Kailangan guys, alam nila kung saan ang direction ng team. Alam mo, isa sa mga pinaka-tragic na nakikita ko sa network marketing, I've seen network marketers, top leaders na naging komportable sa result nila. Wala na sila nakita para sa business nila. Parang nag-aano lang sila. Parang cruise control na lang. Kasi masaya na ako sa income ko, passive na ako. Diba? Parang ganun. Parang wala na akong pakialam sa iyo. Kahit mag-quit kayo, malalim yung organization. Mga ganun. Parang you lead with vision. Kailangan, regardless of your status in network marketing, kailangan may nakikita ka pa rin at dapat alam nila kung saan kayo papunta. That's why oftentimes remind my team, ito yung goal natin. No? Ang goal natin dito, makapag-build ng network marketing team na maayos yung sistema. Up-to-date ang mga marketing strategy, but at the same time, matulungan natin ang mga network marketers or mga magpe-pay-in sa atin na maging, alam mo yun, they will have an amazing time and amazing experience sa team. Yun yung goal namin. You want to create an ethical team of network marketers na ginagawa talaga ng tamang network na walang hype. Yun ang gusto namin. And marami akong katawang sa team ko na ganun yung mindset. Ganun yung mindset nila. That's really amazing. Okay? Natututo ba? So, the point is, how to unlock your network marketing wealth is to make sure na alam mo yung purpose. Create a purpose that's bigger than yourself. Again, before, mention ko kanina na nag-iisip ako pag magne-network ako tapos may dalawang downline lang ako, okay na ako, may sila nang bahala gumalaw. Ganun yung mindset ko. Hindi pala ganun, guys. Kung ganun yung mindset mo, kung ganun ang mindset mo hanggang ngayon, sasabihin ko sa iyo, baka hindi ka tumagal dito. Kasi kapag na-reject ka na paulit-ulit, baka maburyo ka, hindi ka na dito. Sayang, maganda naman yung income ko sa kabila, ba't baka? Totoo. Bakit ka ba nandito? Alam niyo, parang, sorry for the word, hindi naman ako nandito to discourage you, but I'm saying, what I wanted to emphasize is, feeling mo, kaya ko naman kitain sa iba, di doon ka, wala namang problema, di ba? Pero gusto mo nang driven ka with purpose that you love, to see people transform their life because of your mentoring and because you invited them here, because you put yourself into the trouble of bringing them here in the community and the industry,
then nakita mo nagbagong buhay nila, fulfilling yun, guys. I believe that's one of the best reward of being a network marketer. Not per se only to be a top earner of the company or whatever, but be the number one, which is, I'm not saying it's wrong. Ako talagang I'm into talagang nagpo-push. But ang gusto kong sabihin lang is more than that is think ilang taong kaya kong tulungan this month, this quarter, this year. That's the mindset. Think about that. Kung ganun yung mindset mo, maniwala ka sa akin. It's not hard to make money. It's not hard to make money. Agree ba? Type nyo nga agree sa comment kung natututo kayo. So, what's the key mindset to unlock your network marketing wealth? Be a person that decides to, you know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna extract a purpose bigger than myself. I should extract a purpose bigger than myself. And I hope kung nandito ka, nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin, sabi mo, pera-pera lang naman to sa network marketing. Wala naman problema if ganun yung tingin mo. Malaki naman kasi talagang income sa network marketing. Pero, how amazing would that be kung ang mindset mo is, nagka-income ako dahil marami ako napa-income at marami ako natulungan. Tama? Yun na naman for me, guys. Now, some of you are listening to me right now. Gerard, ano ba yung pwede mo ma-offer na course sa akin? Go to pinoynetworker.org. pinoynetworker.org or check mo dyan sa may comments, may pin post dyan or dito sa may caption ko or even somewhere dyan sa may screen mo, merong button dyan. Punta ka dyan. It's only $899 lifetime access ka na dyan. You're gonna learn a lot from that. Okay? Almost giveaway na nga yung price na yan pero for the learning sa loob. Okay? So yun lang for me, guys. I hope you guys are you may natutunan ka. Type nyo learning dyan sa may chat. Type nyo learning dyan sa may comments. You guys are all amazing. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.